Welcome to kurumicooks. You can find this recipe and more at my website kurumicooks.co.uk. Today we are looking at growing daikon, which is the Japanese version of white radish or muri. This is a great root vegetable which you can eat raw or cooked, and you can stir-fry the leaves as well. Here's what you need. Daikon seeds, which are widely available in the UK, some pot filled with the potting compost, some extra compost and some water. First, place 3 or 4 seeds in each pot. Next, cover each seed with a little extra compost. Then mix well with water. After 10 days, you should have some seedlings like these. Keep them well watered, and then they will soon be ready to plant out. I'm planting these out quite quickly as it's late April, so there is little chance of frost. Daikon loves water, so the more rain the better. Just remember to plant them in rich soil and keep them watered. Some of these seedlings will grow faster than others, so just prick out the slower ones in a week or so. It's mid-June and time to harvest my first daikon. I'm going to pull out one that I planted in May to show you how much size a daikon can put on in a month. See how much bigger the mature daikon is. The smaller one will have a sharper flavor. Check out my blog for recipes using Japanese Daikon. Thanks for watching. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel here. See you again soon.